Oh, hmm? Hmm. So you don't know how to use Impreza's products? No worries. Not even we know. That's why we created the Impreza Community to help you guys with your questions. Let's check it out. Hey, here's all the tutorials and questions we have. You can create one by yourself too if you didn't find what you're looking for. For example, let's choose this one. Once opened, you'll see all the step-by-step we did, with errors, screenshots too. Wow, that's so much stuff. You can also leave a comment or a question like, what about how to make a cake, dudes? And post it. And there is more. You can click here to start a discussion. Something like, seriously, how do I make a bunch of money online? I mean, I love money, I want to be rich. How do I do it? Anyways, let's just post it. Pretty easy, right? Right? This is it for today. If you have any questions, just do it. Anyways, bye bye.